Ghanaians, I realized that this was not happening, but I said, NPP, NDC, the best man, I'm telling you, so many countries, and Ghana is the best and all. I'm telling you, I have found everybody lives equally as it is. Life is what we use for so many commercial purposes and all that. That advice is said they should NPP, NDC should not be listening to what the ordinary people are saying. They should focus and be able to rule the nation for us. We are your peace and make now your lighting system in cost. Not a juma I want to call from the way my favorite now. Mr. Assembly Monoquena, Mia and Monoquena, Shiri Yara. We are self and so meaning. Me disaster, ya papa Mahmoud Bawumia. Ya tina haye shemida. Ena ye bisa biom say 2028 yes obelusu election. Ebinu muso so lusu election na enu to dey before be resign. Say yam so obelusu election and the benam so wa odebufu are resigning from the NPP party na. Chapel right. Say enya no kwere sa chapel left. Oh, and the prophetic people, let's calm down and handle things easily so that you have a peaceful election in 2020. Do you know, say, a man and but do you know, say, some prophetic messenger, almost up on your way to my wounds. They work on it, especially if people actually come say, hey, over 2020, over 2029. Not only say 2022, it's in the state. I say, get now function now, so we won't see. So what I say.
I was saying, I'd like so much to so and then the doctor Amingo na Yabu to say that be and come now commonly and so come to let's settle the national danger. Now they made an inquiry and give the same idea about who if it's me, I've got on Ediama. Some other products are up on a problem. Let's say. So we are subscribers to Zanoa Kai for the door, we become Sano after the two wafe. When the first person here was a big can come in, so when they come home, young doctor on your one up. Doctor, my husband, more crabber. I mean, if you have a call, this will do my bed and Yamiasi. My mummy can say, well, Hana can something to say, can light, light as seven Nanyadon. A cost of attraction. Okay. Means beside that Nancy, do some service how my Ghana. Now, if we chess, your mom and John the money Mahamano, I say, if you but an who soon will be Biana is soon come to an up to be an Ayana do so. A unit and why so soon upon this as a man and John the money Mahama. And it do so whole sense at the same. Medasi, now, near Tennessee. Also, we are quite man. And I'm just going to be different. The enemy said, I'm passing the COVID to my life. Make a previous tray. I'm saying, you know, more shame. Okay. We need to be a who is signed. We need to and we need to be a who competitor. Ever in life. Okay. We be a only competitor our life. Then we are not ready to make life. And see, my friend say, your mom penny John Dramani Mahama. The competitor and I do so. And I do so to me. My own explanation. I remember we are seeing that as I said. The NPP government has power over the lighting system, because in their regime,
there was no light off. Why? They was able to what? They know how to figure out that particular one. No. Me politics, but in person me begin to make change of fashion. But say, time NPP bar power for the past 4 years. 8 years. There was 8 years. There was no light. 18. So why don't they teach? Ebia, oh John, why say senior fast one now? I deal with me. Who said Ghanaians ye nyatum? Ye who atamfo. Ena enipa bi a wo press obeku wani bia obenya atamfo. Sister, why anya atamfo ka wo timi ko wani na enye. Okay. Asofo ye watamfo. Individuals empo who cameraman obi a watamfo wasase wesu. Woni atamfo asista da woni timi bo. Etina wo wi asa ye woni ma bia nyame betini aya ma nipa. Ba ye wadibo ha nyame ontimi ye. Ebi ti say bia wo ho na wo yare enye nyame na yi one de bi na one ko private yi na one dey ya obe yare e no enye nyame asem e wo say obe yare be wu en na mefa say bia say o person ware enye nyame na ma ware enye nyame na ma ware papa wo eyem paibo a wa obebo no be ya hweye no what you the right wife. Okay, nti e no enye nyame asem e no eye wu na wakotu su oba bia na be ma bia ye bo sama ma wo e na o tete o bo sam no. Okay, in the book of I think Mark chapter 8:33 or okay. Peter was one of the best person for our crises. But we were catch the book of Mark chapter 8 said, he should remain at my back. Why? Maybe an assignment was starting so he was able to notice it and realize that oh you're a bone some. It's in a doom so you're bone some. Yeah, John Draman, until I was so optimistic and to me, we say no problem here. At least the NPP people should have been able to communicate and answer all that realm because I realized that this was not happening, but I said, yeah, one day Ghana and mine, say NPP or light off, NDC light off, or be our light off because we are in the same Ghana. But I can't say about Ubehu said Ghanaians we are even doing better until yemfa apuri year or say can say any agreeing baba member nyaman fashi go to Nigeria and see something ubesu sister we so for Nigeria dey unya yenya si wo Lagos now muso bo na unya fa omu taxi na the city ni mo sister ni aka ni na dey yakasa kwa wonti nti na man sometimes Nigeria si yakasa omonti no nya se bia omu ni ndo omu ni dey go futa ma agina generator kwa. Okay. Like Ghana, Nigeria, there was a place I see Omudum like me call as a time me call. No, say 2 years. I think yes, I saw it. I need to tell you it's 2 years. 2 years, it's cheap. Yes, I saw it. It's not call off. By Ghana, every day at least we have lights. Light we call off. Actually, be at 24 hours. It's in prayer. The boss said, "Yenfa agree back one unity. You need to apply. We back say but if you move in Boka, who do a nti yenya baako niema yedie kunimdie ahoto bibia ne yedia we can move forward. Okay. But Ghana han yakoye mislead say eni breni ahoje adofo dodo. I'm telling you sir NPP NDC adno ebia fa the personal I'm telling you say ebia fa udi no wa go meku eti na we study here asofo na ye ayemim de no we don't come out because ebia na remember the NPP ni remember this year NDC until therefore no what we will stand there. Okay. So you just have to play normal on both parties. That's what I say. That's me count on your person. Mama, in 24 say I will be kawa ni film tumen. What say your man penny competitor? I say all face what Bawumia do so because nothing to be a eba. Intimate say we no competitor within say a finama morning no sabotaging say the more canana say a opposition party no and I'm person we do so let target man penny. Oh, me that say to me mean church no na can say opposition. Okay. So that ebema obi abeden ebe but enna me bi kai say we stay bi dey me kan na me say ye nyina one Ghana. Ebi free chen obi free Ghana hafo obi free north obi free Boko obi free Greater Accra region obi free Central region obi ye nyina ye baako. Okay. Until we shouldn't allow party there mad differentiation too much but we should come together as one Ghana. Ghana is one of the best places to stay. I'm telling you, meaning they make a show. We may talk about so many countries, and Ghana is the best and all. I'm telling you, I have found you. I should go. Obi theatre, obi found you. Just everybody live equally as it is. Mpatraja say, "Inti gan, inti no me first our politics is some. And for change, because your mama step down, or your ordinary Ghanaian. Akufo-Addo was step down, or your ordinary Ghanaian. You have a former president Akufo, or your ordinary Ghanaian. We have become one. Inti yema peace and rainy. Yema yen chitrin yema tinkutan say. Inti Mr. NPP for they know much about this. Yes, wrong. Omumwaye. Now, Omoni ye Papa President in Kasana, Papa President, any Kasa, any Kasa. Omo no energy, what refiners are then this energy sector. We should communicate with them. They have much ideas about that. Okay. And they can help. That is all. Maybe you're suffering. But beginning now, I said the same. A better myself with you now, a nipani de P, sorry, Hana Mishana, me idea. Now, the person Nipano so do only release on that. It's me famous of a oh, yeah, man of God. Mamika is in charge. They say, one ministry work, one of the most difficult work on this earth. But I make sure, say, I have a good rapport with them. Why? Yes, because we be in the journey of life. Okay. We be in so many things. Did you see what was it last week Sunday? The famous of the Bishop, Mr. Bishop was yes, we said this is what is happening in my ministry. Also, oh, then this is what you have to do to help that feeling. Yes, exactly. Okay. You can call on senior person and also do a new one in there. We should just put hatred aside. Now you should make peace and reign. Peace will never go. Okay. Also, when I'm one of them, so you go fan or be go open. Aba NPP wa bemu. And Kanye wants and some shall say a can of hokakra. Now and someone NDC for Bekaye. Say Kanye no 20. That's at NPP for our bemu. Kanye call off 1 hour crana a haram. It be just and what's the light of the idea. It's a semi walk can say. Sabre NPP for no work and as a woman quiet fast man can say a money NDC in Cambodia and someone NDC for candy so sad time no success or more a baby on between your man Cambo Mamma a year. That's my whole to me. Won't send me the can't me politics. Okay. And I don't even know much about the politics. And I near wake time because I'm not the social media type, but the attorney said, near many can say, as at NPP time. I realize, say, I'm not in charge in NPP regime. Things were better. I'm telling you. But in NDC regime, so your show system, the things is system okay, but prices of things in another form. Okay. So there are differences. You really say when one is calling on one and one is calling on one, there can be a change over and never be okay. There can be a never until never be funny personal. Because the NDC for can be tier NPP for crown. Says CNMD can get a Ghana back. One Ghana. You need different one Ghana. And you assume. So the people to be critical as a senior Ghana, Uber can make a Ghana. It's assumed here. Light lesson was what? Light is what we use for so many commercial purposes and other things. Light in it be assumed to take place. Until because of there was no light up. Okay. I'm not citing one particular party, but we begin a member observing America. Say in their time there was no light off, and so they are the best people to help NDC. Okay. So more energy sectors, energy sectors. Then this is what they can come together to do. More of an one Ghana. So what is the difference? There's no problem with it. Maybe one has problem. Yeah. Almost say we have one. Nipa problem no. On your ready so because problem beyond the issue say you remain at 0 points. Problem they are watching a black on type court police station. No court on because why? They be our time no we see in trip the chumasu. Massachusetts and more. Now no Bawumia so for back or Reverend Obofo abra akoso modam ne hye no obeka akoso modam machine man we na can say meditation akoso modam machine masabe de oboso mbasisi ama etimi ye adwuma na Reverend Obofo beka say we hu no say ade bi o Ghana ha yen timabufo Ghana fo no yen ya na ye say wo man no de ma ya ye hu nti hu nsem a wo kan say wo ne Reverend Obofo ye adwene wo sa kwan no so me that's Reverend Obofo me so fitini but the tell say me maintain ya okoka ye me ti say me okay but me tell say akoso bodam ashia me po maintain but ashia I believe say there is a way they will find how betimi Ayanyama year, light of a big dinner.
Yes, and no question, it just say NPP phone and share to no machine.
And no, then I got to say, Ghana, and be because original customer to swim, we do who she and that is Ghana for you. And black, I can't say black, no black, black, betting your customer to sister. Who go to shame the name P. As I'm not saying one on the
okay.
And meeting, net advice is said. They should NPP NDC should not be listening to what the ordinary people are saying. They should focus and be able to rule the nation for us. Me and your peace and make me now your lighting system in cost not a juma ye.
Mama Sabri, be interested if your mind Ghana ya babu Ghana your maybe at your fair yanyashu, we are bopa. If we are so conema Sabia, mamma who also use solar and a day light. Into Ghana, your penny for DNA swap, I say. Almost to me fast solar no any can any be enfamine. So when your man peninas and can catch and say, solar no own and if your man can send a catch and say, a babuaya.
Medasi, solar system not a good. Me free China in about 5-6 years ago with the solar panels by Ghana.
Okay.
But even to get the right person to fix for you, problem.
And what money yet?
And what money? And our panels also know a bit dependent type of panels. Our person would be and a quantity of person of the boss no business until the minimum is a light and your best. Because solar lady wouldn't let you see near them. But and when my doors and we don't have the technology, because we go into almost too much our gun has it, sir. It's no let's say almost the solar system they get come good. But they should get qualified people to go to China and because China is the whole world. I'm not looking at the technology. I'm telling you, the whole world. Chinese are best with technology. And they know it. Until they should contact them, let them show them so that when they have the implants, sad need to work on her. Never boy, never use Mukabeshian, never boy or Nasu Moku. Into the young, ever boy. As a Ghana Sabi, we your own solar system, Yana. Oh, your master solar system, so because they were the type of napophobia minimum one. They don't use electricity, they use solar. Okay. Because all the panels in our buy. And they have the batteries, everything on use so the electricity for our night problem because of woman use light. Oh, it's an individual bit near ya or mine a bit near ya. And I may just say a bit depending on my second agenda whole particular time so by yet ya or young cadabwa. Okay, the only me my na yes you yes, the moon upon. I will say your mammy, Dr. Amingo, and a 80 and Commonia, what Commono so if you do so as I read about best our mind Ghana. A mouthful is so near my essay, no, and I watch as a brand NPP rubber and can any dinner soon. So, also more so many power minus in ideas, NPP for near this in Kabum, send a banner and Canyon and some moving, the Omunia, the Omodiano, who makes me a Dama and this Abino, send a banner to me for Sagana from your home, it is near him, and Canyon sim, never say a sample doctor. Now, yes, I made in Como. Saturday, so him once, so I shall ask for a sham come at the fact 2028 general election. I become a just say, NDC Befa, it is NPP the Befana. I am the Krama NPP for a Yama sign show monos just say, Dr. Muhammad Bawumia, one no legend Jama NPP among your Kunu. And yeah, there's 2028 will get me a reading and your word should say, 2028 will send you Sowah and Sowah of that sign I resign and I resign. And I'm an NPP for a young Asher woman. See a by mammy or not yet son as a mammy. Send yes, I ready. And come Shasha say ever 2028 general election. Edifa Dr. Muhammad Bawumia. Many came this say. Sowah Muka class, no Muka class 2028 about one Ghana. And be yes. Medasi, another of Nan, you're telling we tear for no chef for motion no like no comment in my Amambu, our Ghana, a yan because who study and think for your movie in Kenya. Both parties need no Buama in your Asumbi. Country be our money Asumbi, no peace, okay. It's no aha, you was your peace, you are upper. It's mess said in 2028 election, they should carry on a peaceful election. Okay. A bad boy and problem be and back to be a bit of Juma so as Hambafi as we a country like Liberia, a yaman you say young man to the Butu. Okay. Yami am the one can say at the Japan Sankra. It's Ghana, dear, yet you once and a Ghanaians so. You show Moja until I am person Moja ever shield. Yet I want to do critical or be person don't send no problem you want any intermittent year. It's a message in 2028 on Masundra. But me, you say, maybe you say 2028 as will be able to take place our election. Okay. Mimi who say the woni no mimi who the woni. Near mimi who say me asundwe and I me bomb say asundwe and take place in 2028. But we never fine. The base bar fine. NDC bar fine. I don't have problem with that. But the enemy here say yama asundwe and take place. Because I mean the word prophetic message. Prophetic message is one of the most dangerous messages. Yeah, a gift only be okay. Yeah, what do you say? And you be not issue semase. It's when you are dealing with spiritual things, you have to be able to break it down for people to understand you. Okay. Because you say one of the areas that you are hearing and you know. Okay. You know that not pay sentence, mama ni panatiase. But obi on your ordinary person who tears us and we say. Obi no bad comment I say and a woman say obi can ya on because a spirit on me dey on the rent on true. Okay. What I say it me stress in 2028 say papa Bawumia na beba we are good to go. NBC never maintain no musita. We are good to go. We don't have problem with that. But you assume Ghana assume your mind is one of the best African countries.
Mame Ghana ebisa yabato no 8 years and yes sa amamudi say NDC ba obenya 8 years na woko na NPP aba NTF bra former Jerry John Rollins free so John Ejekufo ne ba ye odi 8 years and ono so koye and na Atamels e ba Atamels ba nyame fa ne cleanse when chat ne de na ewie wakonya so na owo to nsafre no Abraham Mahama ye president John Dramani Mahama e be take over no or no so HR 8 years or the NDC HR 8 years and Wokoi and another for Dubai or no so the HR 8 years and a Woko and a Mahama assign Abba. It's a beach I said send a Mahama assign bay or no one can say Mahama ne Mampenino I can't one time ya will babidi. In so no winner or qua and this beside actual to send a very minimum 8 years no Masayam and Sana NPP Abba. It is send a worker prophetic message in the idea if you won't see it's almost just a woman air shall come. Say NPP ain't me we need 2028 and young commission because say share trend I that's why Banu Ghana 8 years and the man in police so be share come say NPP ain't we need 2028 and on a prophecy.
And I say no there someone who study rules and regulations and what can happen. That is what is governing the presidential let us say 8 years. This 8 years these are after 8 years and there will be a change over. Which is kind of but oh say Nyamian Samu different from Nipa and Samu. Okay. Nipa and Adria a day too. Who kind the book of Psalms or say a Nyami planning the plan and the Nipa so planning the uncle. It's Nyami didn't know if a member maybe a change of government that take place. Who knows? It's the empire may super say Asuje Emma and Lady Ghana, Nemo Biahun. Now yet me and looking forward in 2028 election, may not peaceful election. Okay. Because election there and ultimately your cool way, your kidnap way, your way, and no one empire Ghana, Yasu be our Ghana.
Nipa will be NPP and Dr. Mahamadou Bawumia. Now the beach I said obey Lusu, but Nyamana who said one so Lusuria or better resign, but NPP they him said, some day 2 minutes a mouse a flag, but I guess what we need power and a son or master. Another conference, John Ejekufo conference. Dr. Mahamadou Bawumia the second chance means it is so when you commit to last time, but some say they be or resign. And then the saw the Bible no for a boy and send a Bibiana Yaba. Or Yama who said, Dr. Mahamadou Bawumia, so it is 28 election, so we'll be lose no lose or resign for NPP party no one.
Medicine say, what your phone would see for next year, more video, no one try no share, no like, no comment, no social media. But I dare you kind of prophetic assembly analysis because me say you see and never should become new. So be sure about the next day in a tier amawa. It's a banasa and ye and then ye because who should comment they do a very nasty. But when we say one thing with life, we say you need to understand everybody because you know you free paper, Opia will feel free, Opia one entity. When you read some of the comments and you just let it go. Now I should be because who can so reply the panel, another can so be church members are replying the panel a whole lot and everything. So yama peace and raining. Now say Bible no quite for children be or start yes or start me training see quite a bit way now bet me and I say and I will bet me one but the same Bible no quite wait I make church and say and maybe Obiba many panel are serious and a Bible no quite for nature say or bet me But the person you are serious, I won't try the physical, which was a war at the but not Bible to quite for so chess, so which may I answer, and to me, because I answer the one day to me at that fast and son of Sana. And no such as and young hospital, I didn't go to be answer. Yeah, dear, see, your chair, yes, Nipania, upon the come on, and then your penny pipe can come. It's a Bible that just say no, and not just say yes, sir. And no shouldn't be a problem to some of the people that Bible Naka say no to them, they are understanding. It shouldn't be a problem to you. If as time is going on, say, there can be a changeover. Okay, like clear example, like I am Mama Pat. And the Bible to for you and Chechim, Ebisa say, you're doing an after that time, the Bible can for see you need that. You decide more than 4 times for see you need that because Master Amlen. Now, on solving the issues, be also solving the news. What you say? It's a time came on solving these issues. Meaning, yellow. Misako one of the things we say, Bishan. Yes, I check it. Almost see Bible to see it and pass it. And the 2 months. Okay. But what I say, it's a Bible to for. So I say no, and I say yes or I will not. Now time will be to okay. I will get me a positive message. It shouldn't be a problem to everybody. And I may catch a real self and so we are sound. No train my yareni, and I may train I won't get it to Western Point until I bet press over the pay a through their young Yame on your magician. We are here, so we are here. Did you on time? That on time. A bit more be until when your stomach low key or stomach or any man, as and a bit more cool, a clear on them. Who be worried? Make sure say you get the rightful man. I wouldn't say where you depend on him. On to me, anyhow, or bow them is good for both of you. Enti ebebua obi anti baba ye ehwehwemu no ama bia ohwe too much TV wetimi ahwe ehunya Bible no for okay Bible no for me do waye eduma enfree na me wo research bi ase me do research eno na ya entire back out okay enti no eduwa mo fanche okay Bible no for me do waye eduma enfree ni na me pe asɛmbi mu no na me hia emu no don hwiri yara ewo wi ase afa na nyina so me mi bisa say ya papa Mahmoud Bawumia ya tena ha ye hwehwemuda ena ye bisa biom say 2028 yes obelusu election ebinu so so lusu election na enu to dey before be resign say ya so be resign ya obelusu election and the benam so wa odebufu a resign from the NPP party na chapel right say enya no kwere sa chapel left and you know, once a Bible, no, I say antenna. Ever said here, also Odika shaking. And so, because one be some master, we have communicated with you. So I was so true exactly the day I heard him. Or should I say, and you know, what I say, or better than I ain't saying the same. Bible, I will not qualify me to eat my free baby. Maybe so I send back to me here in the query. A deal for being much and come Ghana has said the new Patriotic Party NPP. Papa Mahmoud Bawumia Edan. A bit more party say in 2028, Obelusu election. Now Olusu election now, or they will full ever resigning from the NPP party. Say I am possible Lusu election. No, they will full I resigning at Chapel right. Say and this answer on resigning at Chapel right. On resign. That is a 2028 election. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Olusu Park. But that's the NPP news. It's what we say. And next time we got to say, we shouldn't be fast to conclude things. In the onset, you are good in media. Me say I'm not good. Me doing the who will tell us do media. Over to now catch and look at the new one today. Cameraman when the tells me what me issue me. Listen when we tell you make me issue on the reps. So we shouldn't be fast to conclude things on time. Else, I'm not going to shake his eye then. We should calm down. The prophetic people, let's calm down and handle things easily so that you have a peaceful election in 2020. And see, we now one more air candidates. I say it's made the whole yes NPP party. But I say one more election come Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia resign. That is one commission private the confusion about NPP party. Oh yes, and commission debate me the confusion about party because your commission do what? Do you forget about commission? Do you know, say, a good man and Yami Sodo Nedio, but do you know, say, some prophetic messenger, almost up on your way to my window. they work on it, especially if people actually come say, hey, over 2020, over 2029. Not only say 2022, it's in the society.
I say, get now come now, so we won't see.
So what I say. So there are so many things that the men of God and the women of God are doing secretly, which is very bad. Yes, I'm saying, it is a 2028. My papa, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Now we question.
Let me be say, it's not a confusion. It's
and then Papa Mahmoud Bawumia in 2028. After so losing election in 2028 in poor, he still remains in the party. And commissioner of motion station, a bit of confusion about party, and say, I'm part of correct, and I'm part of collect. A bit more confusion.
Yes, party.
Even I'm telling you, NPP party, there is a shaking there. Shaking your party. Shaking your party, man.
They're shaking there.
Shaking your party, who say, and Pennyphony are trying to, and Pennyphony Binomo are trying to do things that is not going right for the NPP party. Then the soon a control NPP party, a bed brass, which is very bad. But what I say, it's a say, Opiara, maybe NPP, and I mean NDC. MPP from my tomb, but you will be free. No MPP will be free. No NDC first will be free. No problem. But the rest of the say, I should do it in the evening. It's 2028, it's just around the corner. Or Mama, I should do it and take it place name way.
Mammy, send your workers a shaking base MPP party. No one begin to for the base. I'm worker say, name my honorable can and quote the base or quite a behano. But it is so just I brought one more year first prime minister. Oh. Luciana, honorable can Babon says, I've been at the base of the animal. Or Babon say, but say, oh, a woman so Lucy the answer, or be making sure say unity about NPP party. But this time around, Lucy, and fifth time almost for a general, they see April, a woman, Woman, say, I know some so about one thing at their press conference, because